Storm Rune here with a brawl. Hideous Zippleback, Barf Belch, and I think it was Defender Gronkle. Yeah. So, I'm going to go after him in this order. Hideous Zippleback. Right now I'll say Barf Belch and then Defender Gronkle, but if that Defender Gronkle gives himself a attack power up prior to that, I might change my mind and switch. Saving up all my action points to get this right here, Stormcutter's Heal, every chance I get. And now I'll go ahead and switch over and start attacking Barf and Belch. Now that I'm down to one, I'll just switch and do a couple of these two action bar attacks, and it's all over.